That's not my child, you...
What was that? I'm so sorry about this. Do you want to come to my place?
You're so kind.
Just push. That's not my child, you... How could you do this to me after everything I've done?
Leave her alone. Mom, let's leave before he kills you.
Excuse me. Do you have anywhere to sleep tonight?
You're such a good man.
Oh no. Oh no, Mom.
What is this? You know what? Fuck it.